Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to decide between a Bissell and a Shark Steam mop, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're putting these two cleaning giants head-to-head in the ultimate Bissell versus Shark Steam Mop Battle 2026. We'll compare cleaning performance, steam power, ease of use, features, and overall value to help you determine which one is truly worth your money. Before you make your purchase, watch this comparison and find out which steam mop comes out on top. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Pet Pro Multifunction Cleaner is a versatile, all-in-one floor cleaning machine designed specifically for households with pets, combining vacuuming, washing, and steam cleaning capabilities in a single unit. Its HydroSteam technology helps loosen stubborn messes and sticky stains while simultaneously picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and area rugs. In real-world use, it performs impressively for busy homes, making everyday cleaning faster by eliminating the need for separate vacuuming and mopping steps. The machine handles pet accidents, muddy paw prints, and embedded debris effectively, while the two-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separated for more hygienic cleaning. Build quality is solid, with a sturdy design and easy-to-remove components that simplify maintenance. Compared with similar models from Tineco, the CrossWave HydroSteam Pet Pro stands out with its steam-assisted cleaning and strong pet-focused performance, although it is slightly heavier and requires regular cleaning of the brush roll. Pros: powerful vacuum and steam cleaning combination, excellent pet hair and stain removal, and hygienic dual tank system. Cons: heavier than standard stick vacuums, requires regular maintenance after use, and can be relatively noisy during operation. Overall, it offers excellent value for pet owners and busy households seeking a convenient all-in-one cleaning solution. And I would highly recommend it to anyone looking to simplify floor care while maintaining strong cleaning performance. On number 2 is the Bissell CrossWave Edge Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum 4329F is a convenient all-in-one floor cleaner designed to vacuum and wash hard floors and area rugs simultaneously, making it especially useful for homes with pets and busy families. Its standout features include edge cleaning capability for reaching along baseboards, a tangle-free brush roll that minimizes hair wrap, and the Fresh Start filtration system that helps reduce odors and maintain cleanliness. In real-world use, the cordless design provides excellent maneuverability, allowing users to quickly clean spills, pet hair, and everyday dirt without dealing with cords. The included storage and rinse tray simplifies maintenance and keeps the machine organized between uses. Build quality is solid, with a well-balanced design that feels durable and easy to handle during routine cleaning sessions. Compared with similar cordless wet-dry vacuums from Tineco, the CrossWave Edge offers strong pet-focused features and effective edge cleaning, though some competitors may provide longer battery life and more advanced smart functions. Pros: cordless convenience with simultaneous vacuuming and washing, tangle-free brush roll for pet hair, and effective edge cleaning performance. Cons: battery runtime may be limiting for large homes. Regular cleaning and maintenance are necessary, and it can be heavier than standard stick vacuums. Overall, it delivers excellent versatility and good value for money, making it an ideal choice for pet owners and households looking to simplify daily floor care with a single easy-to-use machine. On number 3 is the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam 3-in-1 Wet-Dry Vacuum Mop 3551 is a versatile floor cleaning machine designed to vacuum, wash, and steam clean hard floors simultaneously, making it an excellent option for busy households seeking a more efficient cleaning routine. Its HydroSteam technology helps loosen stubborn messes and sticky stains, while the wet-dry vacuum function picks up debris and dirty water in one pass, reducing the need for multiple cleaning tools. In real-world use, it performs impressively on sealed hard floors and area rugs, effectively handling pet hair, spills, and everyday dirt while leaving surfaces cleaner and fresher. The included sanitize formula enhances hygiene by helping sanitize compatible floors when used with the steam function. Build quality is solid, with separate clean and dirty water tanks that simplify maintenance and ensure hygienic operation. Compared with standard CrossWave models and competitors like Tinico, the HydroSteam version stands out with its steam cleaning capability and superior stain removal, although it is heavier and requires more post-use cleaning. Pros: powerful 3-in-1 vacuuming, washing, and steam cleaning. Excellent stain and pet mess removal and hygienic dual tank design with sanitizing capability. Cons: heavier than traditional stick vacuums, regular maintenance is required after each use, and the premium feature set comes with a higher price. Overall, it delivers excellent value for pet owners and families who want a powerful all-in-one cleaner, and I would highly recommend it to users looking to simplify floor care while achieving deeper, more hygienic cleaning results. On number 4 is the Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster Technology 8201. Is a premium all-in-one steam mop designed to deep clean and sanitize sealed hard floors while making everyday maintenance easier and more efficient. Equipped with rotating scrubbing pads, 3 adjustable steam modes, and Steam Blaster technology for tackling stubborn messes. It delivers excellent cleaning performance on hardwood, tile, laminate, and other sealed surfaces. In real-world use, the mop effectively removes sticky spills, dried stains, and everyday dirt without the need for harsh chemicals, while the built-in LED headlights help illuminate debris in dim areas and under furniture. The lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver around obstacles, and the overall build quality feels durable and well-engineered for regular household use. Compared with traditional steam mops, the Shark S8201 stands out with its powered scrubbing action and targeted Steam Blaster feature, though it lacks the vacuuming capability found in some all-in-one wet-dry cleaners. Pros: powerful rotating scrub pads with Steam Blaster technology, 3 steam settings for different cleaning needs, and LED headlights for improved visibility. Cons: suitable only for sealed hard floors, requires access to a power outlet due to its corded design, and water tank capacity may require refilling during larger cleaning jobs. Overall, it provides excellent value for homeowners seeking chemical-free deep cleaning, and is especially recommended for families and pet owners who want stronger scrubbing performance than a standard steam mop can offer. On number 5 is the Shark Steam Pickup 3-in-1 Steam Mop ASSD205CCO, is a multi-function floor cleaning device designed to pick up debris, deep scrub surfaces, and steam sanitize floors simultaneously, making it a convenient solution for fast and hygienic home cleaning. It is especially effective on sealed hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, where it can remove everyday dirt, sticky spills, and light grime without the need for harsh chemicals. In real-world use, it performs well for quick household cleaning sessions, combining vacuum-like debris pickup with steam sanitization in a single pass, which helps save time and effort. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, while the simple controls make it accessible for users who want a straightforward cleaning experience. Build quality is solid, with a modern and compact design that feels durable enough for regular household use. Compared with traditional steam mops, the Shark Steam Pickup stands out for its ability to pick up debris while steaming, whereas standard steam mops typically require pre-sweeping. However, compared with higher-end wet-dry systems, it offers less deep scrubbing power on stubborn stains. Pros: 3-in-1 debris pickup, scrubbing and steam sanitizing, lightweight and easy to use, and chemical-free cleaning for sealed hard floors. Cons: less effective on heavy or dried-on stains compared to advanced scrub-based cleaners, requires regular pad and tank maintenance, and is limited to compatible sealed floor types. Overall, it provides strong convenience and solid everyday performance, making it a great choice for homeowners who want a quick, chemical-free, and simplified floor cleaning solution. On number 6 is the Shark AZ2002 Vertex Powered Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Is a high-performance corded vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, and pet-heavy households, combining strong suction power with flexible cleaning modes. Its DuoClean Power Fins technology uses dual brush rolls to engage both large debris and fine dust simultaneously, improving pickup efficiency across multiple floor types. In real-world use, the powered lift-away feature is especially useful, allowing the canister to detach for portable cleaning under furniture, on stairs, and in tight spaces while maintaining full suction power. The self-cleaning brush roll is highly effective at preventing hair wrap, making it particularly suitable for homes with pets. Build quality is robust, with a sturdy upright frame, a large dust cup for extended cleaning sessions, and a well-balanced design that still feels manageable despite its power. Compared with lighter cordless vacuums from Dyson or Shark's own stick vacuum lineup, the AZ2002 offers significantly stronger sustained suction and deeper carpet cleaning, though it sacrifices cordless convenience and lightweight handling. Pros: powerful deep cleaning suction, DuoClean Power Fins for multi-surface pickup, and effective lift-away functionality for versatility. Cons: corded design reduces mobility, heavier than stick vacuums, and requires more storage space. Overall, it delivers excellent cleaning performance for households that prioritize deep carpet care and pet hair removal over portability, making it a strong choice for users who want a powerful, full-size, upright vacuum.